Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing 6-7. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start on the top left and let's draw the left eye with an oval. Now inside, let's draw a circle at the bottom. And another large one inside. And let's color the inside black. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the number 6. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up and bring it down to the right. Then a line across. Then let's draw a large curve up and bring it all the way down underneath. And let's continue it by curving it up and into the side of the eye. Next, we're going to hop inside the bottom, starting under the eye, and let's draw a curve down and bring it back up on the right side. And that's it for the number 6. Now let's draw the 7 on the right side. Let's start near the top and let's draw a line down. And then from the bottom, let's bring it over to the right. And then a longer line across on top. And then bring it down on the right side, stopping here. Now we're going to move underneath and draw the other eye. Let's start with a large oval. And then add a circle inside at the bottom. And another one inside. Now let's color the pupil in black. And that's it for the eye. Now we're going to hop out and continue drawing the number 7. From the right, let's draw a long angle down and over to the left. And another angle down in the same way, starting under the eye. And close it off with a line across. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now underneath, let's draw the legs. Let's start underneath each letter and let's draw 2 long lines down. And then inside, let's draw 2 lines across. Now top to the bottom and let's draw a line across that's longer like this. Then let's bring it down from the ends. And close it off to form a rectangle. Now from each of the bottom corners, we're going to draw an angle going outwards. And close it off with a line across. Now from the bottom corners, let's draw 2 lines down. and close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop into the back of the foot and let's draw a line down here. And an angle at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw another line across. And then angle it up to the back here. And that's it for the legs and feet. Lastly, let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the sides and let's draw 2 angles down and out. And close it off at the ends. And then let's hop inside and let's draw 1 line across. Now for the hands, we're going to draw 2 angles down and out. And then a longer angled line underneath. Now let's angle each of the lines down and out again. And close it off to form a rectangle shape. And then inside, let's draw another angle along the top. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the fingers. We'll start at the top and let's draw an angled rectangle underneath. And then a longer one next to it. Then for the next finger, let's draw a line out that's shorter and back down. And then one more shorter finger at the end here. Lastly, on top, we're going to draw 1 more rectangle up for the thumbs. And that's it for 6-7. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!